want to know what it is. It is the world that has been pulled over your eyes to blind you from the truth.
So thank you again for tuning in. I really appreciate it, and please, if you can, subscribe using the button below. I'd appreciate you to continue to watch me as I share more of China. So the video that I'm sharing with you today is from a trip that we took at the weekend there. We went to see the Great Wall of China. We didn't go to the tourist part, we went to the unbuilt part, otherwise known as the Wild Wall, which is incredible to see, and it's really fascinating for me because when I was a kid growing up, we had an encyclopedia, and there was an entry in the encyclopedia that I read over and over again all about the Great Wall of China, being able to see it from space. So for me it's a real fascination. And also, I'd actually been to the tourist part with the family, I took my kids there, and we did the whole tourist thing. We tobogganed down the wall and took pictures and video, and it was great. We had a beer on the wall, it was amazing. This is something slightly different. This is a little bit more risky, and I think from the video you'll see that it's just pretty incredible. So please continue to watch. One takeaway for me is as a member of the human race, when we work together, we can create spectacular things, and I think you will agree that this is just spectacular. Thank you. So we are going to the wall, and we are actually faced with more steps. So we're heading up to the Wild Wall, as they call it, because this is a part of the wall that's not been built or restored. I'm looking forward to the steps that I am actually going to have to be walking because it's quite high up. Anyway, onwards and upwards, as they say. So we are heading up onto the wall, which is here, as you can see. So after climbing up the hill outside of the old wall, we are just about to go through the entrance here, as you can see. This entrance to then go onto the wall, which I will share with you, but doesn't look like a heck of a climb, but trust me, when you're doing it, that's a bit of a climb. So this is what we call the Wild Wall. It's not built up, it's actually quite unsafe in some places, but let me show you this, which is pretty outstanding as we go through. Hey Jeremy, what's through the arch window? What's through the arch window is a dam. So there you go. A beautiful, beautiful place to see. In actual fact, I think the mist adds some real mystery to the location. But how cool is that? Jeez, that's just outstanding. Amazing. Wow. So I must be 6 foot from this edge, but I am crapping myself because I don't do heights. But I wanted to get this video with me here. The wall over this edge is the lake and the dam, and I am going to step forward because that's just too steep. So guys, I'm on the wild wall, as they call it, hugging the wall next to me because I don't do heights very well, but I have to say this is well worth coming up to visit because just have a look at what you can see behind me here. You can see here, it's just breathtaking. But if I maybe show you more, as I steadily and scarily edge round, you will see some more of this view, which is just breathtaking. Okay, so this is our friend Tom, our guide.
Hi.
Talk a little bit about how long is the wall?
This Ming Dynasty wall, building by from 1360 until 1640. So all the way along the wall, 8,860 kilometer longer. The back way is China, but the other side way is the Mongolia by 600 years ago.
Wow.
Wow.
Thank you. Thank you, Tom.
You're welcome.